Okay, here's the ranch. Little porch. Walk in, your living area. Little dining nook area. Your kitchen. Pantry. Nice quality cabinets. Going into the master bedroom. And a walk-in closet here. Go into the master bath. Nice soaker tub. Double vanity. Nice size shower. Toilet area, I should say. Toiletry, I guess that's the stuff that you use traveling, your toiletries. I know you're so laughing at me right now. Okay, the dog's out there, so you really can't see that great in the backyard. But your friends definitely went back there. Okay, right down the hallway. There's another full bath, double vanity. Linen closet. Shower tub combo. Got your laundry room. Connects to the garage. Got a bedroom. And you've got another bedroom in here. And we'll go downstairs and see the basement. Okay. Okay, this is your basement area. Got like a storage spot back here that they've blocked off a little bit. Water heater, furnace. Then the basement from over here goes this way. And then it keeps going back there. And it gives you a little more storage under the stairs. All right, let me know what you think.